Can I see, sir?
Okay. Tell me your name. Ashish. And you?
Abhay
And you?
Tansi.
And you?
Aditya.
Adit first. Okay. Have you completed your project file and practical file?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first question. How many experiments have you done? Have you done alcoholic functional group? Alcoholic functional group. Have you done that test? What is the functional group of alcohol? What is the functional group of alcohol? Tell me the name of functional group of alcohol. Yes, OH. Yeah, OH. And Abhinav, tell me what is the functional group of carboxylic acid?
Bond C double H.
COOH, single bond COH. Okay, tell me, who can tell me the formula of Mohr salt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, write down. James. Tell me your name. Yes, your name.
Sulfate, hexahydrate.
Okay. Amen.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the zero group test. How will you identify the zero group test?
Zero group test.
Only tell me which compound we detect in the zero group.
Aldehyde.
You? In zero group, which test we do? Or which compound? When you do the salt analysis, that time we do the firstly zero group test. In zero group test, which salt is analyzed?
Mohr salt.
Salt, that means it's just like ammonium chloride or sodium sulfide, like that. Which compound is used to check in the zero group? Ammonia is detected. No?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between the acidic radical and the basic radical? You can guess. What is the difference between the acidic radical and the basic radical?
Acidic radical carry negative charge and basic radical carry positive charges.
Yes. Give me one example of acidic radical.
CMX.
You tell me the cationic radical, that means it's a basic radical.
Next is this.
Not the
NH4
NH4 plus is known as
acidic basic radical.
but what is the name?
Ammonium ion.
Ammonia. Okay. Tell me the definition of molarity. Write down the formula. आप चारों लोग लिखिए. Write down the formula of molarity. All you have to write down the formula. Whenever you have to write it, you have to not show in the symbol, and if you write it in the symbol, that time you have to demonstrate that What is the cation? What is the W? Explain this. Yes, it's correct. What you have written? Volume in liter, but volume is what? Then you have to write that. Volume of solution. Okay. And now I am going to ask you from organic chemistry. Okay. Who can write the carbylamine reaction? Carbylamine reaction. Anyone can write carbylamine reaction? Doctor. Okay. What happens when glucose reacts with concentrated HNO3? What will happen when glucose reacts with nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid?
It forms sucrose and fructose. Sucrose and fructose.
I can give you a hint. In hint, when we do the reaction of glucose with the nitric acid, there will come oxidation reaction of glucose. That is the oxidation reaction. Okay, who can tell me the skeletal structure of Fischer projection of glucose? Draw Fischer projection of glucose. It's not the Fischer projection, it's the Haber. Wrong. It's Haber projection. Where? Fischer projection, that means you have to show the skeleton of it. You have to write in the expanded form. Okay, leave it. Tell me the next question. Which element is related to the sixth group? Sixth group. That is the basic radical. Basic radical of sixth group. Have you learned about the cation and anion? And of first group, which element is of first group?
Sodium.
Not properly. Okay. Tell me, during the titration reaction, what we take in the cuvette?
Oxalic acid.
What we take in the cuvette? Why we take the cheminophore for the titration? Why we take the cheminophore for the titration?
Oxidation organization.
Because it's a very good oxidizing agent, and it is also used because it is a self-indicator. It is used as a self-indicator. Okay. Okay. Next, you write the formula of phenol. Formula of phenol. And you write the formula of potassium fluorocyanide. CN6,
Before VCN6.
CN6.
Sir, supernatant solution.
But of what? It's the ammonium
Ammonium
silver nitrate
nitrate
solution. Okay? It's a ammonium silver nitrate
Nitrate
solution.
solution.
Ashish, tell me what is the difference between the primary amine and the secondary amine? And differentiate between the primary amine and the secondary amine.
The primary amine
But what is the difference? Main difference between the one primary or secondary?
the primary amine is more stable as compared to secondary amine.
How?
Due to bond electrovalence.
Due to
Electrovalence. Because it contains zeta chain line chain.
okay. Tell me if I give the primary amine and the secondary amine, it will react fast.
The
Secondary amine.
Secondary amine. Because there are the branch.
Yes.
When there is the branch, it will react very fast. Okay. Okay. And during the functional group, if we do the carboxylic acid test, how you will identify that it's a carboxylic acid? Can you tell me the one test? Can you tell me the one test for carboxylic acid? What we do for identification of the carboxylic acid? I give you the hint. We will form the ester. But how we will form the ester? What is the process of making the ester?
Substitution.
How we will convert acid to ester? What we will do? Okay, heat. But what you have to add in that? I think you have not read the practicals, no? If you will read that practical, you can understand that how we will make the acid to the ester. We will take the alcohol. We take the alcohol in the acid, and after that we add the concentrated ester sulfur, 3 to 4 drops, and when you will heat it on the under the water bar, then on water bar, what will happen? That converts into the ester form. Okay, that converts into the ester form. So in this way you can identify it. Okay.
Alcohol has carboxylic acid forms.
Suppose if I take this CH3COH, it's a acetic acid, or plus you are taking the CH3OH methanol and its presence of concentrated H2SO4. Only you have to add the few drops of it, and when you will heat it, that time what will happen? The H will release out and the OH will say water will act out and it will form CH3COO. Okay, what it will form? CH3COO. Okay, tell me the name. Who will tell me? What is the name of that product?
Is it high acetate?
Dimethyl
Methyl acetate?
methyl
Acetate.
that you write the count the number of carbon, na? It's a 1 2 3. It's a propanoid. Or dimethyl ester. Okay, dimethyl ester you can say the propanoid. Okay. Now you show the rectified. What is the full form of PLC? Who will tell me? Full form of PLC. It's already in the 9th class, and you have already prepared that. It's a thin layer chromatography. It's a thin layer chromatography. Okay. Write all 4. Write the formula of ammonium chloride.
CF.
Zero. Okay. What you have written? Okay. Next, write the formula of lead acetate. Lead acetate. That's wrong. Okay. I am saying about the lead acetate, not the lead sulfate. You are writing the lead sulfate. It should be lead acetate. Have you written lead acetate? No, it's wrong. PV contains how much charge? PV contains the +2 charge and acetate contains the -1 charge. So that's why it will be PgCS3CO volt by CS. That's why keep in mind.
Yes.
Okay. Write down the next formula 2,4 DNP. What is the full form of that?
Dinitrophenyl anhydride.
Wrong.
Dinitrophenyl anhydride.
Dinitrophenol. No. Follow. 2,4 DNP full form. That the function. Can you tell me? Full form of 2,4 DNP. It's a dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Everywhere there is a question that is written, and you have to learn. You see this already. You have written the formula of that. Can you draw the structure of that?
Yes.
2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Wrong. See this? It's wrong. So me. Very good, bro. Very nice. It's a 2,4 DNP. Slightly mistake. Already done wrong. You saw me? Not done prayer. Tomorrow I will take again. Yes, survivor. Okay? Okay, go. Actually, it's 2,4,6 dinitrophenyl